Forgotten username recovery failed on public app fix. If you've ever tried recovering your public app username and felt stuck, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong by entering the wrong email or skipping a crucial verification step. Surprising truth is that with a few careful actions, you can regain access quickly and securely. Step 1. Open the public app or visit the login page and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email address linked to your account. Public will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check every email folder, including spam, junk, and promotions. Missing the recovery email is the most common reason users believe the process has failed. Avoid sending multiple requests too quickly, as this may temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather verification information like your full name, phone number, and recent account activity. Contact public support directly with these details for a faster recovery. Providing a linked phone number can further speed up the verification process. Step 4. Once you recover your username, store it securely in a password manager or a secure note. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection and helps prevent future login issues. By following these steps carefully, you can regain access to your public app account efficiently. Proper verification and secure credential management are essential for keeping your investment information safe and accessible.